A warm welcome to all the viewers. In today's session of Tourism and Hospitality Research, we are going to see how to conduct the blindfolding procedure in SmartPLS, which is required to assess the predictive relevance of our model, which is depicted by Q square. In the last video, wherein I showed you how to assess the structural model in variance-based SEM conducted through SmartPLS, I talked about R square and F square. You might like to go back to check that video. But in this video, I'm going to specifically talk about Q square, which is the predictive relevance of your model. So let's get started. Predictive relevance value should be greater than 0 for good predictive relevance. It helps to confirm the predictive relevance of endogenous construct or the dependent variable in your model. It is obtained through the blindfolding procedure in SmartPLS. These are the thresholds for Q square. So in case it's less than 0, it indicates no predictive relevance. In case it is between 0 and 0.15, that indicates small predictive relevance. When it is above 0.15, it indicates moderate predictive relevance, and when it is above 0.35, it indicates strong predictive relevance. Now, these are some of the useful resources which you can refer to for learning more about Q square. Now let us go to SmartPLS and check it out how to do it practically. So now we are there in our SmartPLS model. You can see this, the same model through which I showed you how to assess the measurement model, how to do the structural model assessment. It's the same model with the data of 204 respondents, and the variables are food quality, cultural authenticity, service quality, value for money. Affecting the dependent variable, the endogenous variable is behavioral intention. All of them are measured on Likert 5-point scale. There are 4 indicators for each latent variable measured on Likert 5-point scale. 1 standing for strongly disagree and 5 standing for strongly agree. So this is how we built our model, and now we want to check the predictive relevance of this model. So I go to calculate, blindfolding. You see here blindfolding, click on blindfolding, and then omission distance, ideally we keep it around 7, so let it be 7. In PLS, this should be ticked on. Path, maximum iterations 300 and stop criterion is 10 raised to power minus 7. Now we click on start calculation. So now we got the predictive relevance. You see here the Q square value. So the behavioral intention, which is our endogenous variable, has a predictive relevance of 0.258. So that is lesser than 0.35 but greater than 0.15. That indicates moderate predictive relevance as per our thresholds. Let us check it out once more. So you see here between 0.15 to 0.35, it indicates moderate predictive relevance. So we can confirm and we can say that our model has moderate predictive relevance, and we can go ahead with further analysis. So that is how we conduct the Q square assessment. I hope the video was quite useful and interesting for you, and you will definitely share it with your friends and faculty colleagues. Thanks for watching. Keep watching for more.